Good afternoon. Please be seated. A pleasant day to our distinguished guest, Sir John Michael D. Aguila, Deputy Official, Ma'am Jane P. Valencia, School Head, Sir Ernesto S. Maninang, Senior High School Focal Person, Ma'am Joanne G. Mostoles Tamtampo, faculty members, parents, and to my fellow graduates. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of Bekuren National High School's Class of 2024. Today is the result of all the hard work, persistence, and dedications we have put in over the years. We have faced many challenges, taking advantage of opportunities, and grown more than we thought ever possible. Graduation marks a significant milestones in our lives, a moment where we pause to reflect on our journey, acknowledge on our growth, and look forward to the future. This celebration is not just about the diplomas we are getting. Rather, it is about the experiences and life lessons that have made us who we are today. To all our teachers, thank you for supporting and believing in us. Your dedication has been our foundation. From late-night papers grading, to providing extra help when we struggle, to our parents and families. Your love and sacrifices have been the bedrock of our journey. You have been our biggest supporters, always encouraging and understanding us. And to my fellow graduates, let us remember that graduation is not the end. However, it is just the start of something that is new. We are stepping into a world that is full of endless opportunities, where our dreams and goals are waiting for us. Let us take the values and lessons we have learned here at Bekuren National High School with us to guide us into the next chapters of our lives. Keep being curious, stay determined, and always keep learning. Believe in yourself and in your dreams, and do not be afraid to take risks and try new things. Let us savor this moment full of gratitude to everyone who have helped us to reach this far, especially to our Almighty God. Thank you, and once again, welcome to our 7th commencement exercises with the Team Filipino Youth, building a stronger future for a new Philippines. Congratulations, and may God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Mr. David. Truly,